how to add other name on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see the menu on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. And okay guys, here scroll down and go to other names section. Here in other name section, you can see here the add other name. So okay, you'll have to do is tap this, and now you can add other name here. So you can tap this button here and you can see the option. So for my example, I add nickname. So tap the nickname and put the nickname here. So for my example, Chad. And okay, after that, after you add the nickname, okay, here you can see the show at top of profile. So if you want to show this nickname on your top of your profile, okay, you'll have to do is tap the square on the right side of this show at top of profile. Put a check mark. And other name are always public and help people find you on Facebook. And after that, after you create the other name on your Facebook, okay, you'll have to do is tap the save button below to save this name on your Facebook profile. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully add other name on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.